Alright, so today I want to make a nice short video to help you stretch these areas of tension that we hold in our shoulders, upper back, and neck. So just get a nice strong stance for yourself. And we're going to send your arms out to the side. Point your fingers off in each direction. And then flex at the wrist and bring your hands up. So the fingers point towards the ceiling. Drop your tailbone and let your crown reach towards the ceiling. Slightly tuck the chin. Get a nice big stretch here. Let's add a little movement here to stretch that out. So drop your head over to the left. And feel yourself getting a nice stretch there, and push your palm of your hand off to the right so you can get a nicer stretch on that right side of the neck. And then slowly come up and let your head drop over to the right side. Push your left hand out. Get a sense of stretching more so you can release there on the left side of the neck. And then come back up. Take your hands now and turn the fingers so they point behind you. Take a few deep breaths. Drop that tailbone. Let those shoulders drop a little bit. And then drop the fingers so they point towards the floor, getting stretches in all these different parts of the arm. Let's change the hand posture. Bring all your fingertips together with your thumbs. Flex at the wrist here. So the fingers point up towards the ceiling. Let's do another neck stretch. Slowly drop your head once again to the left. And push with your right wrist and push out to the side, getting a nice stretch on the right side of your neck. Good. Don't force the head over, by the way. Make sure you're just working with your own level. Lift the head up and then slowly drop to the other side. And now push more with the left wrist as you drop your head to the right. And breathe. Make sure you're not holding your breath as we do this. Let your head slowly come back up. Turn your fingers so they point forward, getting a stretch in some different muscles and tendons, and then drop your fingers so they point down towards the floor. And then slowly release. Slowly release and get a sense of rush of energy going down your arms, breaking up these lines of tension that we hold here throughout our day. So it's a nice quick little exercise to support and open up more flow here. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.